Hello, everyone. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Earn Smart with Sommychacha. Artificial intelligence has made it easier than ever to earn income online. With AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Claude, you can write blog posts, business copies, and scripts for clients. Design platforms like Canva AI and Leonardo AI allow you to create digital products, from posters to brand logos, even without design experience. And with AI video tools like Pika or Synthesia, you can produce voiceovers, educational videos, or social media content for brands. The secret is simple. Choose one AI skill, learn it deeply, and offer it as a service. AI is not replacing people. It's rewarding those who adapt. Start now.
If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Earn Smart with Sommychacha, and turn on the bell icon to get notifications.